Conversation that has stayed with you ever since you met and will for the rest of your life. A brutal start to the AFL season. The club has won just one of its first 11 games this year and only one of its past 20. To me, off the air, because Dan, you had every emotion possible that we know so many.
Hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that Texaco sign. Same bobcat, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah, I moved on but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still
Let's see.
so high. Feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. Ooh, they said slow down, son, take your time. But I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came.